And create a thumbnail, and I'm going to record my process so that you can get an idea. So there's this site I use. I'll send you all these links. There's this site I used to use, I don't use it anymore, called Remove BG, which kind of removes the background of pictures. So let's see what to do with this. Okay, not the best, but you know. And then you can just use Canva. Let's see. This is a school account, so I think I'm going to have to first log out. Yeah, because okay, let me just open this in incognito. Okay. Fuck. Want me to log in? Yeah. This is a school account. Whatever I create, they will see. But anyway, let's also try using chat. See if chat can do that. If this refuses, then let's see if this works. Actually, I think what's this thing? ChatGPT is incapable of not changing a video. I've been seeing videos of people telling ChatGPT not to change the image 100 times, and they keep showing how it changes the image. So I don't think it's capable of doing something without changing the image, which is sad. Which is a good opportunity for me to try other AIs. As that's working, let me try. This thing is incapable of not changing the image. It cannot not change the image. Let's see what this one does, because they are generators, not editors. It changed the image, but anyway, this gives you an idea. So what I usually use, let me do this in Canva. I'm going to delete it, but let me do this in Canva. So just come here, let's see, we are creating for YouTube, so let me see, YouTube logo banner thumbnail. Okay, drag a picture. What I usually do, how do I duplicate this? Control D. Okay, just to fill up the corners, then you can flip that, duplicate that as well, put to the side. I hate this program. I don't even know why people call it a design program. It's not. You can select these and do that. Just to fill up the image. This thing is not working. Wait. Position. Whoops. Okay. Then there you'd get your text. We can take inspiration from ChatGPT, make it big. So that's if you want the full picture. If you don't want the full picture, you can just zoom this in to something like this, maybe, and then just add a text. Expand that. Since this is not a design program, there are so many things I could do, but I can't do them here. I wonder if I can actually. And it is a design program, but me, I don't consider it a design program, honestly. So I want to show you how to do it in a design program. Inkscape is the fastest. This is Inkscape. You can download it, it's free. This is the word. Maybe now we can change to this. Let's say you choose the size. Okay, it is just a normal. Let me first delete this. Let me actually finish this, then I'll delete it. What words do we have? So ChatGPT cannot not change someone's image. Well, at least you got the drip right. Like, drip is still right, and but the face just gave you a completely different face. Oh, chat, you amaze me. Anyway, it is, what the heck, it's an image generation thing, not like this. Okay, can have something simple as this, and then there you can add some effects. Let's drop a shadow. No, not that kind of shadow. No. Good God. Okay. 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 That a bit less. Offset it a bit more. Make it a bit thin. Even maybe black. So this is basically, and since this is a comedy show, you don't need to like do a lot in the editing. So something like this could do. But if you want, you can add colors, make the title whatever, which I don't know. I think leaving it white is better. But yeah, I mean something like this would be a perfect thumbnail. Let me download this PNG and okay, home. And then I'm going to delete this because this is school things. Okay, so that's how I'll do it offline. Okay, if this remove background thing had done its job properly, I would also maybe use only this without the background, but that's one of the tools. So designing these things is there's a lot of programs involved. This is the fastest, Inkscape, because it's like very easy to learn. The tools, move tool, boxes, shadows, you know, basic things. This is to type. So you'd get, let me see. Choose font. I need this in caps. But that would be a dope name. I am Fairy. Ian Peary. Okay. So can also do this, put that in the background, blur it, you know, just to give us some background. Whoops. And then maybe reduce the opacity a bit, just to give us something to work with. But no. Yeah, since the picture, okay, we could do an aspect ratio that's not YouTube to just get a good actually let's do for mobile and we see. If I'm to design this for mobile, let's change the document size to so it doesn't have mobile. Yeah, can just change this. To crop this picture, remove some. Okay, So if I'm to show you these guys, don't tell. See how they do the thumbnails?
This is what I look like. Hi, what's up?
Simple, big words. This mosaic is nice. You know, big words, name, simple thing. So I could do something like, since you're draped in cream, could sample this very color, maybe give it a bit more that, maybe outline it with blue, no, and black, no. Now I'm just going to drop a shadow on that. Drop shadow. Okay, I like that. Okay, keep that there. Since I'm too lazy to type, make all caps. Ah, damn it. Yeah, I like this, feeling this. So this one could be used for a TikTok thumbnail, because you know TikTok is more mobile than any. Let me make this big. R. Okay. Or if you don't want to, you could still have the blue up here. Let's get that. Put this in the back. Give it there. Ugh, that looks ugly though. Let's try this. Okay, first release the script. What the fuck is this? Okay. And then get this. Nope. Don't need this. Cut and texture. Nice, that's what I wanted, that cut and texture. Okay, could make this white. Is the shadow still there? Think so. Nope. Maybe reduce this type to like 1. Whoops. Been on battery for this while. Yeah, I like this. Let's export this and see what it looks like. Page. our final product. Ugh. You know, not bad, not bad. Let's see if everything is in white. How does that look like? This is too far. This is too far. Let me bring it here. So you can add color to that. I don't like that. No. No. No, this should stay white no matter what happens. Let's get some. Yeah, that could do. Okay. So let's go back to this format so that we can get something that can be used on YouTube. Make money never been an issue. Yeah, so for YouTube we might lose. Let me see how these guys do it. So these guys crop out the person. They basically take I remove video.
This is what I look like, huh?
Let's try this again. So with that you'd create a random background, let's say this, then you get this, and yeah, if I'm to cut you out, that'd be a lot of work. There's tools for this now, but you know, you can manually crop this out. But let me see, there should be a better tool now. Background remover. Let's see what this one does. Here's a cool site. Okay. Yeah, this one did a way better job than the other one. See, even this one did a better job. See, I like this. Fuck off. Yeah, some of these want us to pay for them. Nonsense. Magazine covers with the issue. See, this was nice. Yeah, this one was nice. removes the Broadway thing, but you know, then maybe we could put you here. No. So then maybe we can make this a bit less. Why is it white though? Ding. Where am I? How did I blur this? I forgot already. Image effects. Oh, blurs. Okay. I don't think this is what I did. Oh yeah, I could do this from here. So we could have something like that. And you have this guy. Yeah. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like this. And maybe we can add where this was Broadway Comedy Club. Broadway Comedy Club. And they write their thing in italics, so let's get something italics looking. A painful issue. Nah, I mean, beer magazines. Oh shit. Yeah, I should have written this in. Okay, no, let's just that. K. Where are we? Where are my italics? Written script fonts. Really? Nothing? Okay, yeah, this works. Can leave something like this. Oops. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Braga. Let's see if this comes out well. Making money never an issue. Yeah, that works. I like that. Oh, okay now. Free kicks for you fucking bastards. Yeah, all this you need an eye for design to see all this work. Oops. Okay, let's put this and see page long. Freaky for you, freaky bastards. Making money never been an issue. Alright. Alright, I like this. I like this. Just need to get some words off the edge. I would have zoomed you out more. Maybe something like this. Okay. And maybe have this. Oops. Let's put this here. Move this up a bit. Okay. All right, and we done. Perfecto. Perfecto. So the key element here, this you can do in Canva. The putting words, the whatevers you can do in Canva. It's just let me see, where's Canva. It's just, you know, open a thing, add, open a thing, whatever this is, and you can even do this on your mobile. It's actually easier on mobile and faster on mobile. But Canva is just one of the apps. There's billions of these. Adobe on mobile can do it. Those photo editing apps on mobile can do it. The biggest thing is, to me, I think, is cropping the background, which this AI back remover, which is a very nice one. Let me even bookmark this because it's actually a very nice one. And it's 100% free, and it's, you know, it's a very nice one. Who owns this? Very nice, gives you the images in high resolution. Yeah, I like this. AI background remover.org. Organization. Very, very nice one. I like it. And then the rest now is just, let me see how this looks in white, by the way. Yeah, nope, let's get some color to that. So the rest now just becomes about how you, because once you have this image outlined, the rest is just big words, big bold letters, and you're done. Anyway, I am hungry, so I'm leaving now.